Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily make negative numbers red in Google Sheets. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just, let's say that I have numbers here. Just mark them like this. Go to Format. Now we want to go to Conditional Formatting. Okay, and now what you want to do, apply to range and format cells if, and let's find less than, and right here 0. And as you can see, let's change the color here to red. Oh, this is like strong red. Yeah, I mean, it's fine. Done. And now, as you can see, we have it. Really simple, really easy. And this is how we actually do it. If this video was helpful and if you enjoyed this, you can support me and subscribe. You know how it goes. So thank you very much, everybody. Have a great day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.